Good morning, students. So yesterday we learned about the problems of second question of exercise 14.1. So today I am going to explain one more time all these problems with another method. Understood? So how to solve all these expressions in by another method? All of you see students here. See, first here we have to find here in the first problem here we have two terms. Okay, first here we have to write the um, factors of this. Okay, so the factors of the 7x 7 into x. Similarly, factors of this 42. Let me write as a 2. If you not understood, you have to write like this, students. Okay, so 221s are 3 7s are 7 1s are okay, so 237 2 into 3 into 7. So these are the factors of this. Okay, so these are the factors of first term and these are the factors of second term. Understood, students? So the next, so among both these, which one is the common here? 7 is common. Understood? 7 is also in this term and 7 is also in this term, and remove it outside, and in the bracket write the remaining numbers or variables. Okay, so here if I remove if I removed 7 outside, what left here? X left. Okay, and inside the bracket 2 into 3 left. Okay, 2 into 3 left. So the next 7 into bracket x minus, here we have to multiply both these, that is 6 comes. So this is the solution for the first problem. Okay, students. So now let me solve the second one, that is minus 16z plus 20z3. Here we have to find the factors of this 16. Okay, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and that one z right as it is because this is 16z. Okay, so now put the plus sign and factors of this 20. See how all of it comes. 2 10s are 2 5s are and 5 1s are, that is 2 into 2 into 5, and z is how much time it is? 3 times, that is z into z into z. Understood? So then now among this term and this term, which are the common factors? See, students, here we have 4 2's, but here we have only 2 2's. It means here we have to remove only 2 2's. Okay, so the next here we have only 1 z and here we have 3 z. It means here we have to remove only 1 z outside. Understood? Here in the first term we have total 4z, but in the second term you don't have in the first term here we have 4 2's, but here we don't have 4 2's. Here we have only 2, here we have only 2 2's. Okay, so it means here we have to write only 2 2's. And coming to the z, here we have only 1 z and here we have 3 z. It means here we have to write only 1 z, students, and these are the common. So now in the bracket we have to write the remaining. See here, if I removed only 2, what left inside? 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 left, and z we already wrote it outside. Put the plus sign. Okay, and here we have to write only 5. Okay, and 2 z's, 2 into the z into z, because we already wrote 1 z outside here. Remaining in the bracket we have to write the remaining variables or numbers, that much only, students. Okay, so the next 2 2s are 4, 4 4 into z 4z, 2 2s are 4, 4 into z 4z, and in the bracket minus into minus, minus into plus minus. So here minus into plus minus, 2 2s are 4 and plus 5 z into z, z square. Okay, z into z, z square, that is 4z into bracket minus 4 plus 5z squared is the factorization process of this fourth problem. Now let me solve the fifth one, students. All of you see here, that is 20. What are the factors of this 20? 2 into 2 into 5, okay, 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2 is a 4, 4 5 is a 20, and here we have L 2 times, L into L, and here we have only 1 M, right as it is, and then put the plus sign. Next we have to write the factors of this 30. 2 15s, 3 5s, and 5 1s, that is 2 into 3 into 5, A into bracket L into bracket M. Okay, so the next, see here, common factors. In this term, this is the first, these are the factors of first term, and these are the factors of second term. Okay, in the first term, students, we have two 2's, but here we have only one 2. It means here we have write only one 2. Understood? Next, here we have 1 3, but here we don't have 3. Let it. Here we have 1 5, and here also we have 1 5. Write it outside. Understood? So the next, here we have 2L, but here we have only 1L. It means here we write only 1L. Okay, and here we have only 1M, and here also we have only 1M. Write that one also. Okay, and here we don't have, here we have A, but here you don't have A. Okay, let it. And these are the common factors, and inside the bracket we have tried the remaining 2 we removed outside, and here we tried only 1 2. Okay, and we removed 1L, write 1L, and this much only, students. Next, in this we remove 2 and 5, write 3. Okay, and we removed L and only write the A here. Then 2 5 is a 10 LM. After multiplying all this, we get this much, and in the bracket 2 into L 2L, 3 into A 3A. Okay, students. So the next, see the seventh one. Factors of 10, 2 into 5, A into A. Okay, so the next, 3 into 5, B into B, plus 2 into 2 into 5, C into C. So these are the factors of first term, these are the factors of second term, and these are the factors of third term. And now in the bracket, see students, here 2 is here, but not, this 2 is not comes in all these given 3 terms. See students, from first, in the first problem, fourth problem, and fifth problem, here we have two terms, but here we have 3 terms, that much only. See, common means it must exist in all the given terms. Here we have 2, but here we don't have 2. Okay, so it not comes as a common factor. Let it. Now take the 5. 5 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here. Write it outside. Next, here we have A, but here we don't A, and here also we have dot A. Okay, so in the bracket we have tried the remaining, that is 2 into A into A. Next, minus 3 into B into B. Next, students, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. We already removed 5 outside. Next, C into C. 5 into bracket 2 into A square, that is 2 into A into A. 2 into A into A, it becomes 2A square. Next, 3B square, and this one becomes 4C square. 4C square. So this is the solution for the 7th one. Next, see the 10th one, students. A into, here we have tried the factors of this. A into X into Y, plus B into X into Y, plus C into X into Y into Z. Now here we have to remove the common factors here. X is, A is here, but not comes in the all the remaining 2 terms. Let it. See the X is here, X is here, and X is here. Remove it outside. Okay, students. So one more X is here, but not comes in one more X in the remaining 2 terms. Y is here, Y is here, Y is here. Remove it outside. And in the bracket we have to write the remaining, that is A into Y plus B into Y plus C into Z. Okay, multiply both these, it becomes XY, this one AY, BY, and CZ. So these are the solution for the problems of second question of exercise 14.1 by another method, students. So I hope yesterday I solved in one method. Today I solved all this by another method. So which one you feel easy, you follow that method. You follow that method, students. Okay, and the remaining problems, they are the homework for all of you. Solve all the remaining problems by this method. Okay, so I hope all of you understood all this. So tomorrow I will explain next problems. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.